Error code 170 on American Standard HVAC systems, specifically heat pumps, indicates a fault with the outdoor coil temperature sensor. This sensor monitors the outdoor coil's temperature, crucial for efficient operation. When the system detects a problem with this sensor, such as a malfunction or incorrect reading, it triggers error code 170. This can lead to the system entering a safety mode or shutting down entirely. We'll explain what this means for your system's performance and longevity. The outdoor coil temperature sensor is a thermistor, a temperature-sensitive resistor that changes electrical resistance based on temperature. It measures the temperature of the outdoor coil and sends this data to the system's control board. The control board receives this temperature data and uses it to regulate the system's operation. This information is vital for regulating defrost cycles, fan speed, and compressor operation in heat pump systems. By monitoring coil temperature, the system can optimize performance, prevent freezing, and ensure efficient heating or cooling. Without a functioning sensor, the system can't accurately manage these processes, leading to inefficiency or damage. Several factors can trigger error code 170. The most common includes sensor failure due to aging or moisture exposure, loose or corroded wiring connecting the sensor, and extreme outdoor temperatures exceeding the sensor's operational limits. Electrical issues like open or short circuits in the sensor itself can also cause the error. Start by visually inspecting the outdoor coil temperature sensor and its wiring for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Next, use a multimeter to measure the sensor's resistance. A healthy sensor typically reads between 10 and 20 kiloohms at room temperature. An open circuit or short circuit indicates a faulty sensor. Always power off the unit before accessing any internal components to ensure safety and prevent electric shock. Modern thermostats with app integration may offer self-diagnostic routines that can help pinpoint the problem quickly. Before replacing any parts, try a simple system reset. Power off the HVAC unit at the breaker for a few minutes, then turn it back on. This can sometimes clear the error code. Next, carefully inspect all wiring connections to the sensor, ensuring they are secure and free of corrosion. Clean any corrosion with a wire brush or electrical contact cleaner. In many cases, loose or corroded wiring is the culprit, not the sensor itself. Correcting these issues can resolve the error without needing replacement parts. According to experts, up to 60% of code 170 instances are due to wiring issues. When diagnostics confirm the outdoor coil temperature sensor is faulty, replacement becomes necessary to restore proper system operation and prevent repeated error codes. Sensor part numbers vary depending on your specific model. A common part number for Trane and American Standard units is CITC01. Always ensure you purchase the exact replacement sensor for your system. To replace the sensor, first power off the unit completely for safety. Then carefully disconnect the old sensor from its wiring connections. Next, connect the new sensor in place of the old one, ensuring secure connections. Finally, double-check and secure all wiring to prevent loose connections. While DIY replacement is possible for those comfortable with electrical work, consulting a certified HVAC technician is strongly recommended to ensure proper installation and avoid potential further damage to your system. Always refer to your unit's service manual for model-specific instructions and safety guidelines before attempting any replacement. To prevent future occurrences of error code 170, schedule annual HVAC inspections by a qualified technician. These inspections identify potential issues before they trigger error codes, ensuring your system stays reliable. Protect outdoor units from extreme weather conditions. Shielding your HVAC system from harsh temperatures and elements prevents sensor damage and extends equipment life. In coastal areas, apply anti-corrosive coatings to prevent sensor damage from salt air and moisture. This protective layer helps maintain sensor accuracy and avoids corrosion-related faults. The future of HVAC maintenance involves predictive diagnostics, where AI algorithms analyze usage data to predict sensor failures before they occur. This technology minimizes downtime and improves overall system reliability. HVAC technicians often recommend proactive sensor checks, especially in systems installed before 2020. Real-world case studies show that prompt diagnosis and repair can save significant maintenance costs. For example, a homeowner in Texas resolved a Code 170 issue by identifying corroded wiring via app diagnostics, costing only $150. A Florida hotel prevented recurrence across 50 units by using anti-corrosive coatings. Staying informed about common issues and solutions can help homeowners and businesses maintain their HVAC systems efficiently.